Hello friends, welcome to Trading Income, and in this video we'll do Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Along with that, I will share my profit and loss for today. Okay, so before that, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing it because daily we share Nifty Bank Nifty analysis along with intraday stocks for the next day. So with this, I will share my screen. First, I will show my profit and loss for today. So this is my Zerodha screen, and as you can see here, I made a loss of 10,800 today. So now we'll see what are the learnings, what were my learnings and what were the reasons. So as I had shown my open positions in yesterday's videos, I was bearish. And market opened gap up. Nifty opened gap up around 120 points. So it hurt my position, and at the open only, I was in loss of around 10k, and I was late in adjustments. I waited for a bit. Because of that, loss increased to around 17k. But in intraday, I made 7k, so the loss decreased to 10k. Okay, so this was the scenario. So what are the learnings? So the first learning is be quick in cutting your losses. Be quick in cutting losses. The loss making trades, be very quick in cutting that so that your loss doesn't increase. Okay, this is the first one. Second one was I was very close to the spot price. Yesterday, Nifty closed around 17,950, and my buy call was at 16,950, and my buy call was at 17,000, sell was at 17,100 call. So the distance was very less. So that's why I could not escape at break even. So the second point is maintain distance from spot. If you are into option selling, so that distance has to be there. So because if the market moves against you, then there is a chance of surviving. Okay, this is the second point. And the third one is losses are part of trading. If you see some trader who daily makes profit, then be sure that he is not a real trader. Real traders make losses. The only point is losses should be small. Losses should be small. If the losses are big, you will not survive. Your capital will be lost, and that is not good sign. You will not be able to trade the next day. So the first point is survival, and for survival, you have to make small losses. Losses are part of trading. Losses are real. So if you are new to trading and you want to enter it, I want to tell you that losses will happen. Losses are real, and be aware of that before entering into share market trading or investing. After that, fourth point is rehearse what you will do if market moves up, what you will do if the market moves down. This is very much important because you will be prepared when that move comes. But if you are not prepared, then you'll not be able to manage the positions well. So these are the 4 learnings which I wanted to share with you from my today's losses. Today's loss, which was around this. And the losses should be small. And the small, what does small mean? Small means that it should be less than 1% of your capital. So with this, we'll move on to our Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. I will share the Nifty 15-minute chart. So today it was a bullish move from the beginning. It opened gap up and kept on moving up, as is seen from this chart. This is a 15-minute chart. So now the support. Where is the support? The low which was formed on yesterday, which is 16,950. This is a futures chart. 16,950 was the low. This is a good support, and the resistance level is 17,400, first one, and the 17,500 is the next one. So the plan for tomorrow, what can we do? Tomorrow is a Wednesday, so theta decay can help, but we cannot only depend on theta decay if you're an option seller. So one has to have a view of direction also. So today it was clear bullish move, but because of my overnight positions, I was already in loss. In intraday, I did good, but this happens. Okay. So the plan for tomorrow can be the range. The range is this 17,400 to 17,400 point range. So below this can be sold, above this calls can be sold, below this puts can be sold. But still, if you get a view, if you form a view and trade according to that, because that will give you an extra advantage of delta. That will give you an extra advantage of delta if your direction is right. Theta will always be with the option sellers, but if you want to take the advantage of delta, then have a view, and if your direction comes right, you'll make good amount of money in option selling also. Okay, so this is the view, this is the range for Nifty. Quickly we'll see the Bank Nifty. So this is the Bank Nifty 15-minute chart. Bank Nifty was more bullish yesterday. Nifty was more bearish. Today, Bank Nifty was more bullish. This means on both the days, Bank Nifty wants to move up more than Nifty. So as we can see here, now we'll see the levels, important levels for tomorrow. The low which was formed yesterday, 35,800 level. Before that, 36,200 level, and above 37,200 is a good resistance level. So outside of this range, you can sell the calls and puts, but keep your position size proper, because if market moves in one direction, then your stop loss should be hit so that you exit with small loss. Position sizing is the key. Keep your position small, and if your trade is in loss, exit when the losses are small so that the losses does not become big. So this is the analysis, and the entire stocks I will share on my Telegram channel tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. I will share it with the exact levels, entry, stop loss, target. Okay, so you can join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. If you like this video, then share it with your friends. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. We keep on posting this analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty daily. And if you want to learn from us, then you can join our mentorship program. The link is in the description. See you in the next video. Take care. Wish you all profitable trading.